What if the battlefield had a laser weapon straight out of a sci-fi movie? In 2026, that fantasy becomes reality with the upgraded Stryker DE M-SHORAD. Armed with a cutting-edge 50 kilowatts laser, the 2026 Stryker Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense, DE M-SHORAD, redefines modern battlefield superiority. Mounted on the iconic 8-wheeled Stryker platform, this laser cannon is no longer just a prototype, it's operational, deadly, and mobile. Engineered for rapid deployment and agile mobility, the Stryker DE M-SHORAD neutralizes drones, rockets, and mortars in seconds, all without a single bullet. Its silent kill system uses direct energy to incinerate aerial threats with pinpoint accuracy, even in cluttered combat environments. But it's not just about the firepower. The 2026 upgrade brings a futuristic command cabin, integrated with AI-assisted targeting, high-resolution radar, and a 360-degree electro-optical sensor suite. The control interface is touch-sensitive, voice-responsive, and designed for speed under pressure. With enhanced armor, independent suspension, and hybrid power management, the new Stryker can operate across urban, jungle, and desert terrain, remaining stable while firing or on the move. It's not just a weapon, it's a force multiplier. The Stryker DE M-SHORAD 2026 isn't built for the past. It's designed to dominate the future battlefield where speed, stealth, and precision rule. The era of laser warfare has begun, and the Stryker DE M-SHORAD is leading the charge.